Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can send and receive a fax messages on your Motorola G23. So at the start we have to download a fax app. You will find a lot of them in the Google Play Store. I'm always using the EasyFax app, so we can install it. And open. Then decide that you want to get a notification. I don't need to, and add permissions to the gallery and to the camera. Then tap on this little plus and choose the source of your document. You can select something from the download files like a PDF file, import something from gallery, or just simply take a photo. We'll choose something from gallery, like this one, for example, and you can also select more files. If you are ready, click import, and as you can see there we have a few documents, and now you can choose the title for it to make it more visible. If you are ready, click OK, and as you can see that we have our documents. So now just type the number, choose the country, and optionally can give a small note here. Then if you want to send it, just click on this button and that's it. If you want to add more documents, click on this little plus and do it the same like before. But if you want to get a fax number to receive a fax messages, tap on this little tab, incoming, thank you, and just tap on the get a fax number. Choose your plan, get continue, and select the number that you want to select. Click done, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.